1513 South Western Railway service from Woking up to London Waterloo. You join me here at Weybridge, and oh yeah, there's 458 in the background, because let's go and do the last of the 4585s. Now, there's a slight caveat. This will be my penultimate journey on one. Next week, I will be on one, but it's an 8 AM train heading to London and therefore be packed. So I figured, what I'll do on the Jersey Loop, sail, and then I can enjoy it the final time next week. So, we've got about just under 20 minutes here for the 1533 service to London Waterloo via Staines and Hounslow departs. However, it is only advertised as going to those Barnes, because if you were going to Waterloo, why would you go the long way round via the likes of Staines and Hounslow when there are faster services via Surbiton available from here? So let's head on board.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Addleston.
Guard speaking, and welcome aboard this South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Hounslow. Safety information is displayed throughout the train. I ask you to keep your belongings with you at all times. Should you see or hear anything suspicious, anyone acting suspiciously, please report it to myself or any other member of railway staff. Currently find me located in the middle of this 10-coach train should you need my immediate assistance. This train will be stopping at stations with short platforms, so if you're travelling to Addleston, Hounslow or Syon Lane, you'll need to sit in the front 8 coaches. If you're travelling to Isleworth, you'll need to sit in the front 7 coaches. If you're travelling to Virginia Water, you'll need to sit in the front 6 coaches. Once again, it's the South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Hounslow with a scheduled time of arrival of 16:56. Any passengers leaving the train at our next station, Addleston, you'll need to sit in the front 8 coaches. Doors in coach 9 and 10 will not open. This is due to a short platform at this station. Front 8 coaches please for Addleston. Thank you.
This train is now approaching Addleston. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 8 coaches. for London Waterloo. The next station is Chertsey. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Virginia Water. Virginia Water. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 6 coaches.
Passengers leaving the train at the next station, Virginia Water, you will need to sit in the front 6 coaches. Doors in coaches 7, 8, 9 and 10 will not open. This is due to a short platform at this station. Front 6 coaches please for Virginia Water. Our scheduled time for departure from Virginia Water is 15:54, so we have got about a 9-minute wait at the station. Any passengers who may be in a bit more of a rush, you might want to make your way over to platform 1, where there will be a London Waterloo bound train leaving the station before us. Please be aware though, the train leaving platform 1 will be going to London Waterloo via Richmond and not to Hounslow. If you're not in a rush, stay with us and we will be leaving Virginia Water at 15:54. Front 6 coaches please to leave the train at Virginia Water. Thank you.